How to clear all cache on Samsung phone. So first of all, launch Settings on your Samsung device. From here, scroll down below. Then go to Apps. From here, you can see the Sort option. You can tap on it and you can sort the apps by size. Also, if you tap on OK, all the apps will be sorted. If not, you can tap on each of the applications one by one manually. For instance, I'm going to choose Amazon Shopping. Now, once you choose any application, scroll down below and go to Storage. Now, at the bottom right corner, tap on Clear Cache. You would have to follow this step one by one manually for each and every application. Now, on the next step, let's go back to Settings page. From here, tap on Device Care. Now, from here, go to Memory first. Now, once you come here, you can see various applications selected. Now, if you tap on the option of Clean Now, you will be able to free up memory and also stop background apps. One thing you have to note down is that in case of YouTube and certain applications, if you have downloaded offline downloads, those will be deleted as well. Now on the next step, just go back and then tap on Storage. From here, you can go to Recycle Bin and then you can choose any files. So now once you come to Recycle Bin, even if you have deleted any of files, folders or photos, it will still be stored in Recycle Bin. So you can go to any of these categories. For instance, I'm going to tap on Voice Recorder. Now long tap on the files you wish to delete. Then tap on Delete option at the bottom right. Now tap on Delete. After this, all the files from Recycle Bin will be permanently deleted. Now let's go back and you can go to Unused Apps. From here, you can see all the applications that you have not been using. You can select on any of the application. And then you can tap on Uninstall option in order to clear cache and free up storage on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.